Well, hey everybody, welcome back. If you've been wondering if retinol is something that you should be including in your skincare routine, but you've heard that it can cause problems for some people's skin, or maybe you just want to know what retinol is right for your skin type, well, you know I've got you covered, so keep on watching. Okay, so today we're talking about retinol. Long overdue video, I know, I'm sorry. I've been reviewing retinols and testing retinols, but haven't really done something that talked about specifically what they can do for you versus things like Retin-A or tretinoin. And I haven't really covered the horror stories that you've probably heard about from people who've used retinol and had issues or side effects from it. So I test a lot of products for you guys, and I didn't tell you my horror stories. Simply because there are none to tell. Now, if you're new and you're not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris. I'm a skincare expert, and I'm here to help you find skincare that will work for you, not empty your wallet, and not do you more harm than good. So on this channel, we obviously talk about skincare products, skincare ingredients, skincare problems, and we solve those. So if that's your thing, please be sure and subscribe and hit the little notification bell so that you know when my new videos are out each week. Retinoids or retinol can really help smooth out textured skin, help with hyperpigmentation, help bring actual skin cells that are healthier and new forward, and can, of course, help combat fine lines and wrinkles. Now, Retin-A or tretinoin, and those two names are really speaking to the same product. In fact, Retin-A's been around a very long time. It is a brand of tretinoin. I used it way back in the day when I had really bad acne, so again, it's been around for a little while, but there is a big difference between the prescription version of Retin-A and what we know today as retinols, which are over-the-counter derivatives of vitamin A. So there are some similarities, but there are big differences. Retin-A is prescription strength. It's a very strong active ingredient that can help repair skin damage from the sun. It can also help with hyperpigmentation. It also helps remove fine lines and wrinkles with time. It's a much stronger active than a retinol is. That's why it's prescription strength. It's also got its fair share of side effects. Some of those are dry skin, flaking, scaling, burning, extreme redness. Actually, some people do have some allergic reactions to it. So it can be too strong for a lot of people, especially if they have sensitive skin. So those are the drawbacks. Those are the cons. Retinols, on the other hand, while they are a derivative of vitamin A, they are much less powerful, although they do give your skin some really good effects, especially over time. They too will help with photoaging and hyperpigmentation, although not as quickly or deeply as the prescription brand Retin-A will do. It also will help bring new skin cells forward, and because of the light nature of the active, it actually does help increase collagen production. So you can think of Retin-A as more of an irritant in the beginning, which is why a lot of people have to really take it slow. Retinols, you can go a little faster, but there is sort of a breakdown of how to do this with retinol so that you don't have a sensitive skin reaction. So keep watching. Now, if you've tried Retin-A prescriptions in the past, or even retinols and had reactions or problems with them, I would love to know what your experience was in the comments below. Also, if you've had a really good experience and what brand you used, I'd love to know all that. So be sure and let me know. Now let's talk about the right retinol product by skin type, because we have dry skin and we already know that retinols can create more dryness. So that could be an issue. We also know that they work for oily skin problems, acne problems, and of course the anti-aging. So I wanted to break this down today very quickly. This isn't going to be a really long video, and tell you which products I would recommend that you try if you have oily skin, dry skin, or you're a beginner with maybe oily combination skin. Okay, so first let's talk about retinol for dry skin. Dry skin is skin that's habitually dry, can be a little bit flaky, and is prone to sensitivity. Things like alcohols and fragrance and skin products can also be a problem for you. So we want to pick a retinol that does not have those ingredients, but has a very hydrating formulation. And fortunately, there is one out there. First Aid Beauty has a 0.25% retinol serum. That is a great formulation for dry skin. You get the retinol benefits, but they've included aloe, hyaluronic acid, colloidal oatmeal, and peptides as well as ceramides. So this is a multitasking serum. It's going to do a lot for your skin if it's dry, but again, it's going to still give you the benefit from the retinol, the de-aging, anti-aging effects that you're going to see over time. So what then is good for someone like me who has very oily skin or acne-prone skin? The Ordinary has a really good formulation, and I love the way they took retinol and broke it into strengths that you can actually choose. Now, what I recommend for you, if you have oily or acne-prone skin, is that you start with the 0.5% retinol solution. It's retinol, and then they include it in squalane. Squalane is a moisturizing enzyme that our skin produces anyway, and as we get older, we produce less of it. So again, to keep the skin calmer and provide protection from some of the irritation that retinols can produce, I really like this very simple formula. There's no extras, there's no alcohol, there's no fragrance. It's just retinol along with squalane, 5%. If you feel that you're acclimating to the 0.5 level, you can always bump up to the next level up that they have. Now, I have all three of these here for you on the screen so that you can see them. And I will also link to all the products that I'm talking about, including these, down below in the video description box. So no worries, you don't need to write anything down. You can just go down there when the video is over and take a look at those links and see what might work best for you. So now, if you're a beginner with retinol and you've never used one and you're a little apprehensive, or you have sensitive skin, I'm going to give you two products to choose from that can really help you get used to using retinol to kind of judge the effects for yourself. And they are very mild formulations that likely are not going to irritate your skin. The first of these is from Neutrogena, which is a brand that I routinely review on this channel, and that is their Rapid Repair Retinol Serum. This is a very mild buffered formulation that's going to go on and still be hydrating and give you an opportunity to judge the effects of retinol for yourself. The other product is one that I've been testing myself, which is the Olay Retinol 24 Night Serum. It's a little purple bottle. This serum is a really very light retinol, and I really like the fact that it absorbs completely. It does not give my skin any irritation. Again, it's not going to be super strong, and it's not going to give you super effects right away, but over a time, within 2 weeks to a month, you should see some vast improvement in the texture of your skin, hyperpigmentation issues or coloration and evenness, and you should see a lessening of fine lines and wrinkles. Basically, what the retinols all do is bring new skin cells forward faster. They kind of turn up the cellular turnover and the cells that you're producing, because the retinols work on the photoaging damage that's occurred in the structure of your skin, are healthier and, of course, younger looking. Okay, now there's some very important things that I need to share with you about how to use retinols. First and foremost, you want to take it easy when using these on your skin. You always want to patch test any new product that you're using, even if you've used retinols in the past. A simple patch test is just to put the product on the inside of your elbow, wait 24 to 48 hours, and make sure that you don't have any redness or irritation. Now, retinols, when they first go on, do tend to make the skin a little red. That's not what I'm talking about. You want to look for any flaking or burning sensation that's ongoing, any deep dark redness. That's a sign that the formulation of that product or the retinol itself is a problem for you and you shouldn't use it. The way to get your skin to acclimate to retinol properly is to start slowly. Every other night for the first week, use retinol. If your skin doesn't show any signs of irritation, then you can bump it up to 3 nights, then skip a night, then 3 nights the second week, and then you can go every night. Now, personally, I don't like to use retinol every single night. I use it 5 nights during the week, and I take the weekends off. I really like to let my skin kind of rest on the weekends because I test so many products that I need to give my skin a break. But you do what's best for you and what you're seeing results from. That's the way to apply this into your skincare routine. Now, another thing, you heard me say that I apply it at night. I always recommend that retinols go on at night. And the reason for that is, first, sunlight, UVA, UVB rays break retinols down. So you're going to be putting something on your skin that's going to be broken down by the sunlight. Even if you use sunscreen, there's enough UVA, UV light on the surface of your skin that actually degrades the retinol serum. The other thing is that retinols, because they speed up cellular turnover, make the skin more susceptible to sunburn. So it's really important that you use sunscreens even during the day when you're not using a retinol. Certainly you don't need sunscreen at night, but you want to make sure you're protecting your skin because it is going to make it more sun sensitive. And the other thing is to make sure that you apply your retinol first. So it goes on before any other serum. The reason for that is you want the retinol to have the ability to be absorbed into the skin. This is one of those active ingredients that really needs to be absorbed in order to do the work at the cellular level that we're looking for. Now, I hope this video today helps you understand what retinol is versus Retin-A, how to use it properly, and what you should expect, and also which particular kind of product is best for your skin type. If the video was helpful, please let me know by giving it a like and comment down below. And be sure to check out my other videos that are going to be coming up next, because they will help you perfect your own skincare routine and get your best skin ever. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know how much I love you and appreciate you. Stay beautiful, and I will see you on the next video.